251 Fox Tango, cross Busy at or above 3000, clear ILS Zulu, runway 30 approach.
Cross Bidfeet at or above 3000, clear ILS Zulu 30 approach, 1 Fox Tango.
Alright.
Late
at or above 3000.
Clear direct Busy.
1500 set, VNAV.
Was that on Bidfeet?
Affirm, Busy.
Direct 50, direct flight 636.
Lead swab, approach complete.
Roger.
X flight 636, descend at pilot's discretion, maintain 5000, altimeter 3000.
Alright, PD down to 5000 and 3000.
Net speed 681, say requested altitude and Mach number.
400 and Mach decimal 90, just speed 681.
Net speed 681, climb and maintain 400, maintain Mach 90.
Okay, clear to flight level 400, maintain Mach decimal 90, just speed 681.
Golf Echoes here, 211 Bravo. Descend at your discretion, maintain flight level, maintain 6000.
Maintain 6000, our discretion, just 211 Bravo.
251 Fox Tango, contact Bermuda Tower, have a good day.
Tower 1 Fox Tango. Wade Tower, Challenger 251 Fox Tango, Bidv 3000, ILS Zulu 30.
November 251 Foxtrot Tango, Bermuda Tower, good afternoon. Information Delta, QNH 1016. Continue approach, report final approach, runway fix, runway 30.
Continue approach, report final approach fix. We have Delta 1 Fox Tango parking Cedar.
Roger.
Okay, flaps 10.
Flaps 10.
United 1985, vacate the active, left on Bravo, contact ground 1240 slow 5 when vacated.
And what's on Bravo United 1985?
.251 Fox Tango, final approach fix.
November 251 Foxtrot Tango, report your distance on final.
Alright, I'm going to correct that. We're in cabin. I'll report Fox 301 Fox Tango.
Roger. American 1289er, wind 230 degrees, 17 knots, runway 30, clear for takeoff.
Runway 30, clear for takeoff, American 1289er.
That's the intermediate fix.
pilot for the missed approach.
Copy that.
American 1289er, contact New York Center, 128.5, so long.
Over to 28.5. Good day, American 1289er.
251 Fox Tango, final approach fix.
November 251 Foxtrot Tango, roger, surface wind 230 degrees, 17 knots, runway 30, clear to land.
30 clear to land, 1 Fox Tango.
Right, flaps 20.
Flaps 20.
Gear down.
Gear coming down. Gear down, 3 greens.
Flaps full.
Flaps full.
Bay 4 landing checks.
Gear down, 3 greens, flaps 30.
Firm, 3 greens, flap 30.
Landing clearance we have and all lights are on. 4 landing checklist complete.
Roger.
One 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Alright, spoilers out, reverse screen. 90 knots. Going Fox, next one's the right.
Roger.
70 knots. 1 Fox Tango is going to vacate right on Fox.
November 251 Foxtrot Tango, roger, vacate right on Foxtrot, contact ground 124.5 when vacated.
Right on Fox, ground 24.5, 1 Fox Tango.
Alright, right on Fox.
After
Do
landing.
after landing checks. Thank you.
Come to.
2.
Ground, Challenger 251 Fox Tango, vacating runway 30 right on Fox to Cedar.
November 251 Foxtrot Tango, Bermuda ground, taxi right on Alpha, left hotel, apron 4.
Right on Alpha, left hotel, apron 4, 1 Fox Tango.
Alpha Hotel to 4.
Yep. Lights off.
Thank you.
After landing complete.
Roger. This place is never less beautiful than the first time.
Yep.
L is next left.
Yep.
Remote ground, good afternoon, Victor Papa, Charlie Victor India.
Victor Papa Charlie, Victor India, Bermuda ground, standby.
Okay, left them down. See the marshal.
Copy that. Taxi lights off.
Thank you, and just watch the right wing.
Of course.
That Gulf Stream.
You're clear.
They just wanted us to stop now.
Okay.
Victor Papa Charlie, Victor India, ground, say request.
Victor Papa, Charlie Victor India, request engine start for repositioning from apron 3 to apron 4, Cedar Aviation.
Victor Papa Charlie, Victor India, start pilot's discretion, cabin ready for taxi into apron 4.
Start up at own
You're on the
discretion
way?
with copy,
Yeah, sure,
Papa
clear.
Charlie Victor.
Alright.
Oh.
Alright, we made it.